There are two ways to make a tiered discount. One of them is using Shopify discount code, and this is covered in another video in our demo store and on YouTube. The second way is to use a smart deal. So you create a new deal, you select here tiered discount, and then you can select the type. Is it a tiered discount like buy 3 get 10% off, buy 4 get 15% off, buy 5 get 20% off? Is it on the same variant, the same product, or anything? Anything means, well, any item added to cart will count. Is it based on quantity, or is it based, for example, if there's $50 in cart, then you can select the discount. You can also set a maximum discount amount, so it will be capped to a certain amount of money. You can restrict to some product or some collection, or you can also exclude some product and some collection. Then you click to stack another deal, and for example, in my case, the next tier will be 100, and then I can put a bigger discount here. And then you can stack another deal and do the same up until you are satisfied with all the tiers that you need. You can also add some cart requirement right inside the smart deal based on how many product or how much money is there, and then you click add to add, and then you can have another rule. But for now I'll skip this. I just want to show you how to make the tiered discount, because inside the tiered discount the minimum here is basically the same as the cart requirement there, so there's, that's optional. Then you can give a gift, put free shipping, and you create the deal, and there will be this pop-up that you suggested to automate it. The reason why you automate it is because this is how it will be automatically applied in your Shopify store. So you can just scroll here and you can define a triggering condition. Well, for example, I would simply put the first trigger, the first tier, so it's going to be 50. This is what I've put. And you can name it tier discount using custom deal. You can test it, put it active, and then you save. It's going to create a new group. When you go to the group, well, I have a lot, but you probably will have one or maybe 2 or 3, but most probably you only have one group. And you can test it, or you can put it active, and when you go on the store you will get the tiered discount. In my case it might not work because I have so many stuff enabled, but in your case it's gonna work.